Hello YouTube, today I will show you how to draw a shark, fish, and a cat. First, I'll show you how to draw a shark. First, you have to draw the back of the fin like this and stop right there. Then draw like a little U right here. Make it like that, okay? Next, draw like a little spike thingy like that, and draw the same thing on top. And then just move a little bit this one, and make two spike thingy like that, and then draw like that. And just this one just goes straight like that, not too straight, not too up, and not too far. And you're just gonna draw the main fin like that. You're gonna take this one and bring it to the middle. Well, not to the middle, but right here, and make the other fin. Okay, like that. Make this one like that. That. And take this one, put it just like that. Go straight. Take the mouth, make it longer. Put the nose. Put those little lines. And then just make a little one right here. And that's the back of the fin, the other one, right? Make the eye like that, and you can draw anything, like if you're swimming super fast. Okay, that's a shark. Okay, now I'll show you how to draw a fish. Fish is pretty easy. Just make like a little raindrop, right? Make a little raindrop, and make that the fin, the back fin, like that. Just take this, make it like that, and of course you could color it, but right now I'm not doing it. Little mouth. The bubbles, like some lines, the rest of the eye, and like some stuff like that, and that's a fish. And I'm gonna show you how to draw a cat, or it's either a cat or a tiger. I don't know. First, fish. Okay, cat. Make like a half circle. Show some ears, and of course this is some cartoon animals. Like a little triangle right there. Another one. Okay, made two big eyeballs. Scar. I don't know, you could do anything with the eyeballs. I messed up in the eyeballs. Doesn't matter. Like that. Make like a little triangle right there. And like 2 lines. 3 dots. color this thing. Okay. Take this. Make it like a 6. Nice little paws. His whiskers. Some triangles for his like lines or dots, whatever. Snails. Oh, a little triangle right there, a big one, and a small one. Like that. And oh, his tail. His tail. Triangle. 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 And last, maybe you want to make some grass. And his little food of water. Some food. And there you go. Yeah, half a cat. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more pictures, because right now I'm running out of time, you could see another videos that I'm gonna create later. Okay, bye.